Imagine this, you wake up, stretch, and before your feet even hit the floor you check your phone. You see notifications, but they're not from your boss. They're sales notifications, payments received, income earned while you were dreaming. This isn't a fantasy reserved for the ultra-wealthy or tech geniuses. This is the power of passive income, and it's more accessible today than ever before. You can genuinely make money in your PJs. No endless hustle required. The world of work is changing. The old model of trading time for money, of being chained to a desk from 9 to 5, is becoming obsolete. The new currency is freedom. Freedom of time, location, and finances. And the key to unlocking this freedom is building systems that work for you around the clock, even when you're not. So how do you actually build this life? How do you transition from actively working for every single dollar to creating streams of income that flow in automatically? It starts with a shift in mindset, from being a worker to being an owner of systems. And this year, 2026, is the perfect time to start building. The tools are cheaper, the platforms are more powerful, and the strategies are proven. Here's your blueprint. Here's how to set it up step by step starting this year. First, and most fundamentally, you must automate your income. This is the bedrock of making money while you sleep. The goal is to detach your earnings from the hours you work. Think about it. A client pays you once for a project, but a customer who subscribes pays you every single month, automatically. That's the magic. We're talking about subscription products and microservices that bill automatically. This could be anything from a monthly newsletter with exclusive industry insights, a curated content library, or access to a private community. Maybe it's a software as a service or SaaS tool that solves a very specific problem for a niche audience. Even something as simple as a subscribe and save model for a physical product can be a powerful source of recurring revenue. The key is to create something of value that people are willing to pay for on an ongoing basis. Start small. What knowledge do you have that others would pay a small monthly fee to access? What simple problem can you solve with a tool or a service? Platforms like Stripe, Chargebee, or even Patreon make setting up recurring billing incredibly simple. You set it up once, and the system handles the payments, the reminders, and the deposits. Your job shifts from chasing invoices to delivering consistent value to your subscribers. This is your first and most crucial step toward financial automation. Second, you need to leverage platforms. Don't try to build everything from scratch. The internet is filled with massive, pre-built ecosystems teeming with customers who are actively looking for solutions. Your job is to place your product in their path. This is where you create an info product or an AI-powered tool. An info product is simply your knowledge packaged for sale. It could be an ebook, a comprehensive video course, a set of digital templates, or a high-quality audio guide. You create it once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. The cost to deliver one copy versus 10,000 copies is virtually zero. Think about a skill you've mastered, a hobby you're passionate about, or a professional expertise you possess. Package it, polish it, and prepare it for sale. Alternatively, with the explosion of accessible AI, you can build or commission a simple AI-powered tool. It doesn't need to be the next ChatGPT. It could be a specialized writing assistant for a specific industry, an image generator for a particular style, or a data analysis tool for a niche market. The barrier to entry for creating these tools has never been lower. Once you have your product, don't just hide it on your own website. List it on marketplaces. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Skillshare, and Udemy for info products, or the App Store and various software marketplaces for your tools, already have millions of users. They handle the traffic, the payment processing, and the trust building. You leverage their scale to get your product in front of a global audience. They take a cut, of course, but it's a small price to pay for instant distribution. You're not just building a product, you're plugging it into a global sales engine. Third, let's talk about smart investing. This isn't about day trading or chasing risky bets. This is about putting your money to work in a structured, intelligent way so it generates more money for you. It's the ultimate form of passive income. A great starting point for many is dividend ETFs. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a basket of stocks, and a dividend ETF specifically holds stocks of companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. By owning the ETF, you get a slice of those dividends, often paid out quarterly. It's like owning a tiny piece of hundreds of profitable companies and getting a regular paycheck from them. It's a time-tested way to generate relatively stable income and benefit from long-term market growth. Next, let's touch on the world of crypto, but with a crucial caveat: with due diligence. The crypto space offers opportunities for yield, which is essentially earning interest on your crypto assets. This can be through staking, where you help secure a network, or through providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges. However, the risks are significantly higher. The key here is research, research, research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Stick to established, reputable platforms, and understand the technology you're investing in. Avoid anything promising unrealistic returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. A newer, fascinating frontier is tokenized real assets. This involves taking a real-world asset, like a piece of commercial real estate or a fine art collection, and dividing its ownership into digital tokens on a blockchain. This allows you to buy a small fraction of a high-value asset that would normally be out of reach. You can earn a share of the rental income from a building or the appreciation of a painting. This is a powerful way to diversify your portfolio beyond traditional stocks and bonds, giving you exposure to different asset classes. The golden rule across all these methods is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A mix of stable, lower-yield assets and a small allocation to higher-risk, higher-reward opportunities is a balanced approach. Fourth, and this is what separates the amateurs from the pros, prioritize systems over hours. You only have 24 hours an hour. You have 24 hours. Kun free kan mao. Indian enitron and your day and day. On Go Week Don, you cannot scale yourself, but you can scale a system infinitely. This means building a machine that runs the business, so you don't have to. The first step is to outsource operations. Identify the tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, or outside your area of genius. Is it customer support, social media management, bookkeeping? These are perfect candidates for outsourcing. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find skilled freelancers from around the world. You can hire someone to handle customer inquiries, manage your marketing campaigns, or even update your products. This frees up your time to focus on high-level strategy and growth, the things only you can do. To make this work, you must use contracts. A clear, simple contract protects both you and the freelancer. It outlines the scope of work, deliverables, timelines, and payment terms. It eliminates misunderstandings and ensures everyone is on the same page. This isn't about mistrust, it's about professionalism. It turns a casual arrangement into a formal business relationship, which is essential for building a reliable, scalable team. Finally, the engine that drives your automated sales is the Evergreen Funnel. This is an automated marketing and sales process that works 24/7 to attract new customers and guide them to a purchase, without your direct involvement. It typically starts with a piece of valuable free content, a webinar, a guide, a mini course, that people get in exchange for their email address. This then triggers a pre-written sequence of automated emails that build trust, educate the prospect, and eventually present your paid product. Once set up, this funnel is evergreen. It's always on, always working, doing the selling for you while you're sleeping, on vacation, or working on your next big idea. Now, before you rush off to build your empire, we need to talk about the pitfalls. The path to passive income is littered with traps for the unwary. A solid action plan includes proactive risk management. What happens if your main platform changes its algorithm? What if your key freelancer quits? What if a new competitor enters the market? Thinking through these scenarios and having a backup plan, like diversifying your traffic sources or cross-training a second freelancer, is not pessimistic. It's smart. Compliance is another critical area. Depending on where you and your customers are, you'll need to be aware of tax laws, data privacy regulations like GDPR, and consumer protection rules. For investing, you need to understand the tax implications of dividends and capital gains. It might sound boring, but ignoring compliance can lead to fines and legal trouble that can wipe out your passive income overnight. A brief consultation with a legal or financial professional can save you a world of headache down the line. And as we mentioned with crypto, due diligence is your constant companion. Before you partner with anyone, invest in any platform or adopt any new tool, do your homework. Read reviews. Look for red flags. Understand the business model. In the digital world, trust is earned, not given. A healthy dose of skepticism will protect your assets and your reputation. Let's make this real with a couple of quick case studies. Consider Anna, a graphic designer. She was tired of trading hours for dollars on client projects. She took her expertise and created a set of premium design templates for social media managers. She created it once, listed it on Gumroad and Etsy, and built a simple, evergreen funnel using a free design tip PDF as a lead magnet. Within 6 months, she was generating 4 figures a month in passive income, allowing her to be more selective with her client work. Or take Ben, a finance professional. He started by consistently investing a portion of his salary into a dividend ETF. As that grew, he allocated a small speculative portion to staking a well-established cryptocurrency after months of research. He then used a platform to invest a small amount into a tokenized commercial real estate property. Over 3 years, these combined streams created a significant passive income flow, accelerating his journey to financial independence. These aren't overnight successes. They are the result of consistent strategic action. So, what's your first step? Don't try to do everything at once. Start with one small test this week, just one. Maybe it's outlining your first ebook, or researching one dividend ETF, or signing up for a freelancer platform just to see how it works. The key is to build momentum. Choose one strategy from this video that resonates with you the most, and take the smallest possible step to get started. Then, once you have a small win, you can build on it and scale from there. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. This is a marathon, not a sprint. To make it easier, I've put together a comprehensive toolkit to help you get started. Want templates for your first info product? Want a checklist that walks you through setting up your first automated system, step by step? Let's quickly recap the blueprint. First, automate your income with subscriptions. Second, leverage existing platforms with info products or AI tools. Third, invest smartly in assets like dividend ETFs and tokenized real estate. And fourth, build systems that scale using outsourcing and evergreen funnels. If you're ready to turn this knowledge into action, I want to help you. All the resources we've talked about are waiting for you. For instant access, do 2 simple things. First, hit that subscribe button. This ensures you won't miss future videos where we dive deeper into each of these strategies. Second, grab the free link in the description below. It leads to our passive income quick start kit, complete with checklists, template guides, and a list of our recommended tools and platforms. The dream of earning money while you sleep is not a dream. It's a project. It requires a plan, the right tools, and consistent action. You now have the plan. The tools are waiting for you in the link below. The only thing left is for you to take that first step. Make money while you sleep. Start today.